Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss SQL join. So the SQL join is a command clause that combines records from two or more tables in a database. So let's understand this with examples. So suppose we have one table called employee, and in the employee table we have data like employee ID, hire date, salary, and employee name, as well as we have the data department ID and job ID. You can see that. Now we want to fetch the department name and the department, all the department information as well as the job information for that particular employee. Okay, so we need some other tables which will join with the employee table to fetch the details of the department and the jobs. Now join can be two types. One is inner join, another is outer join. Okay, so what is inner join? So inner join is the join that returns only the rows that match in both tables, whereas in outer join, return all the records from one or both tables, regardless of the whether there are matching records. So we'll now discuss both inner join and outer join in detail. So let's start with inner join. So this is the query of inner join. So here we are using these three tables: employee, department, job. And for joining, we are using the alias name. For employee it is E, for department it is D, for job it is J. Okay, now how we are joining? For joining employee and department table, we are using the common column which is department ID. So the joining condition will be D dot department ID equal to E dot department ID. And for joining employee and job, we are using this join condition: J dot job ID equal to E dot job ID. Okay, and these are two join condition to join employee and department and employee and job table. So from the department table we are getting the department name and department location. Okay, and from the job table we are getting the job name and the job type information, as well as we are getting the employee information like employee salary, employee name, employee ID, and department ID and job ID as well. So this is our query. Let's run this query. So you can see we have four employee in the employee table. For all these employee, we are getting the records of department and location, as well as job name and job type. Now we'll understand the outer join. So to understand the outer join, we need to first see the data. So in our employee table we have total four records, and all these four records belongs to department 10 and 20. But if we see the department table, so here we can see department 10, 20 is there, but we have one extra department which is department 30, but this department 30 is having no data in the employee table. Means we don't have any employee for department 30. But uh, as well as if you see the job ID for all the four employees, so you can see the job ID is either one or two. But if you check the job table, then you will find one extra job is there. For that, no employee are there in the employee table. Okay, so if we want to uh, fetch these extra departments and job in our query, then we need to use the outer join. So inner join basically fetch all the match records, but outer join will fetch the records which are matched and which are unmatched. Okay, so let's see. So how to fetch that unmatched records? For that we have to use the plus operator in our join condition. So we have to use this plus operator in E dot department ID and also E dot job ID. If you do this, then you can see the the if you observe the last row, it is having the department information for which no employee is there. Okay, and basically you can see the null is coming for the employee column and null is coming for the job column. Okay, so why you're using this plus operator in two join condition? Because this, so we want to fetch the records of the department that is having no records in the employee table. Okay, so that is why we are using plus in the employee table. And as employee table is also connected with job table, so we have to use this plus operator in the job table condition as well. If you don't use that, we'll not get the records. Okay, and if we want to get all the extra job records, then what we need to do, uh, then we'll remove the plus operator from here and we'll put that here, and we remove from here and we put that here. Now if we run this query, so now you are getting the extra job information in your query and all the other fields are blank. Okay,